dust in the rocks. My boots kick up the dust. I've seen my share of hard knocks. The horizon bends and shimmers like it's dreaming in a daze. The dark clouds roll in and the lightning starts to blaze. I feel it on the way. The wind lifts my hair, cool kisses on my skin. Blessed rain, it now begins. Cool rain on the sand, cool rain on my skin. Thunder on the mesa, let the blessings begin. Cool rain fills the sky, cool rain wash it all away. Scent of juniper fills the air. I am grateful for this day. It quenches desert thirst, and this becomes my world. Stone turns damp and dark, rivulets of water unfurled. I can hear the chanting, I can see them in the mist, like the land being rebirthed in the middle of all this. I feel it on the way. The wind lifts my hair, cool kisses on my skin. Blessed rain, it now begins. Cool rain on the sand, cool rain on my skin. Thunder on the mesa, let the blessings begin. Cool rain fills the sky, cool rain wash it all away. Scent of juniper fills the air. I am grateful for this day.